YouTube. In this video, we're talking about how to start Shopify dropshipping, like how to get a domain. So you want to go to Shopify, you can start free trial. You just start the free trial. I'm gonna soon create like a training series, how to set up the store, everything. Like, so look. You could buy the domain inside of there, or you could transfer it. It's better you transfer it. Like I recommend you guys get a domain on Namecheap, right? And then after you get a domain on Namecheap, you guys then wanna go to Google G Suite and hook up the domain Google Workspace account. That's what it's called. You wanna hook up the domain both from Namecheap to Google Workspace. That's gonna give you a business email. Now, for you to hook up the domain to the Shopify store, which you're gonna build, you do that in the settings domains. You transfer DNS settings, so it's called Shopify Namecheap DNS. Right? Look, you go here on your domain, on Namecheap, you click Manage, Shopify. Boom. Look, these are the details right here. Step 1, ensure DNS settings for your A record match the following. Step 2, that you create an A type and a C name record type. And then it sinks in. That means that when you go to your domain, it's going to be a Shopify store. So you just hooked up two things at once from this video. I recommend you put the settings, look up an address on Google, a French address on the Shopify settings, so that way you can link Stripe. That's more games, a whole lot of. I'm stop this video with that. And not even 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I already put y'all on no fluff. I like getting straight to it. So I already solved your problem here. It's all about solving problems and adding value. Most channels, they go on and on about them, their story, their life. Nobody cares. First, I have to solve problems, add value, and rank on SEO like I'm doing here. I recommend you guys get Shopify free trial from me. I got affiliate marketing, of course, I recommend from me, as well as a program from me after, all of that. I recommend you guys do everything here that I just said. Like, we're gonna take it step by step. I'm creating a training series, and I'm gonna tell you something like about me personally. After I already solved your problems, why I'm doing what I do, I want to solve your problems. You're my audience, the e-commerce niche, people who growing and scaling their brands. Come work with me, do one-on-one coaching with me, see how I can help you. Click the link below for that. See, that's my brand, my personal brand, and my niche which I serve. That's why I transition like what type of content I'm about to make and solve problems to and get value to, because that's my ideal clients, e-commerce brands. I'll tell you why not to talk about me, what it's all about. So like in the beginning, when you start, like, alright, so like you either have like 5,000 for your commerce or not. I mean, I already told you it's business credit, you get like 50, and then you put it. Well, anyway, or you selling and you market. You have a marketing agency. There's something like called like ad spend under management and a retainer fee and a service fee. That's what I want to get in the back end from all this value I'm adding. Like, I want you guys to get the affiliate marketing course I recommend, my coaching calls with me, my agency team, you work to grow your brand, my programs for your team to grow it, all of that. So I'm becoming an expert in this field, and I'm a battle test it. That means like I'm gonna probably create a side brand. What I was saying is it's mainly about marketing, like a marketing agency, getting clients, selling, having ad spend under management as well as a service fee retainer growing at the same time. That's what it's all about to me. And there's also something called a profit interest deal. Well, in the Zoom call, I negotiate, and then I could also go on DocuSign. I will sign, put it in the like terms, like the contract, like a profits interest deal. I could get like a percent, 5%, 10, 50% of the profits brought from ads and like bro ads. Like I'm telling you, that's why I like this. And it's teaching me sales. Like I'm gonna really do this. I'm gonna get on a lot of calls. Like here, I'm mainly doing all this, but I'm explaining like what I want to do. So like, of course, I might have to start with like dentists, chiropractors, landscaping, all sorts of those niches and sub niches. It's all about getting ad spend under management while getting your service fee retained growing at the same time. That's your case. That's like your track record of of how you growing businesses and working with businesses, and you getting a percentage too. You get the, that's what I'm working on aside from this personal brand, and why I bring it to my personal brand here in this way is because most people in different continents start an e-commerce business, grow an e-commerce business. I want to give solve problems in this niche. So you come work with me, my affiliate marketing course. I recommend coaching calls with me, how I can help you grow my agency teamwork, how we could work with your brand, grow it. My program, how your team could grow it. You're like, you know, 6 minutes and 3 more minutes, and I'm in the video. I need to make videos like around 10, around there, great side of value. So yeah, I'll probably create like a clothing brand, but I'm gonna do it in like a passionate niche. This is more value source. You gotta find winning products that solve a problem and create an emotional benefit. So like what people are passionate about, like you know, it's important. That's how I'm gonna do it because I need to battle test these things so I can come to you guys and be like, yo, guys, look, we can solve a problem, get value. Hell yeah. I believe in myself and what um my expert what I know to teach you alone, but that's gonna help me with my confidence even more. Not to like and all that. Yo. So yeah, this is how you start a Shopify brand. There's more things I can get into, but I'm not gonna do it in this video. This video is mainly about solving this problem. So I hope you guys found this useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and